This is the brief on the Halia Private Tours 6-hour community service island adventure. So this guide breaks down a clever voluntourism option out in Oahu, where mixing a private sightseeing trip with just a bit of community work actually saves you cash. First, let's look at the financial trade-off. By dedicating just 90 minutes of your 6-hour tour to hands-on service like beach cleanups, planting native trees, or reef restoration, your group is going to save between $100 and $200 off the standard price. But what's the catch, right? Well, to get that discount, 90% of your group actually has to pitch in. No sitting on the sidelines. Second, let's talk flexibility. Even with the volunteer requirement, this is still a totally private custom tour with your own driver, not a crowded shared bus. You completely call the shots on the route, whether you want to see Pearl Harbor or the North Shore, and you can adjust the pace on the fly based on traffic or just your group's overall energy. Finally, let's cover logistics and group pricing. It's a flat rate per group, not per person, starting at $549 for up to 4 people, and it scales up for a massive group of 14. It's super family-friendly for kids. If you're willing to swap 90 minutes of vacation time to help the local ecosystem, this is a killer travel hack for unlocking a discounted private tour.